Good evening, guys. So, how are you, all of you? I hope you have bad now, and I'm also cool. Okay. So, in this video, I'm telling you some features of WordPad. Okay, that is class 2. Okay. So, don't waste your time. Let's learn with us. But first of all, you should know that if you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Okay. So now let's get started. First of all, click here and type in the search bar Microsoft Word and open it. After open it, Backstage View in Word 2010. Okay, so now I'm here, and so guys, the Backstage View has been introduced in Word 2010 and acts as the central places for managing your documents. The Backstage here and help in creating new documents, saving and opening documents, printing and sharing documents, and so on. Okay, getting to the Backstage Views is easy. Just click the File tab. Okay, here, that is File tab. Click here. I'll look at it in the upper left corner of the Word ribbon. If you already do not have any open document, then you will see a window listing down all the recent opened documents as follows. Okay, you can see that list. Okay, and also that list documents, recent documents here. Okay, and recent places. Okay, you can access from here. Now here is recent. Okay, so guys, if you already have an open document, then it will display a window showing detail about the open documents as shown below. Backstage View show 3 columns when you select most of the available options in the first column. Okay, for example, here is info, and we can see that that is first column, and that is second column, and that is third column. That are all columns here. Okay, first column of the Backstage View will have following options and description. I will tell you what is the difference between save. That is first, what is save. If I exiting documents is opened, it will be saved as is. Otherwise, it will display the dialog box asking for documents name. Okay, and that is save as folder. Okay, that is save as folder. A dialog box will be display asking for documents name and documents type. By default, it will save in 2010 format with the extension .docx file. Okay, now that is open options. We can say that that is option open. Okay, now this option will be used to open and exiting Word documents. Now let's next. Okay, so that is close button. We can say that this is option this option will be used to close and open documents. Okay, so and next is info. This option will display information about the open documents. Okay, and now this is recent. This options will list it down all the recently opened documents. Okay, and now this is new. Okay, and this option will be used to open new documents, and this one is print. This option will be used to print and open the documents. Okay, and you can say that options, it means save and send. This option will be save and opened documents and will display option to send documents using email and etc. Okay, and you can say final. That's one. Help, you can use this option to get required help about Word 2010. Okay, now here is options. Okay, you can see and all options use these options to set various options related to Word 2010, and that is exit. Use this option to close the documents and exit Okay, so documents information. Now we can say documents information. You should click here info and documents info. When you click info options available in the first column, it displays the following information in the second column of that backstage view. Okay, here's that is documents information is available here. Okay, so now if you have registered on MS Word 2010, then you will got a one more options here. That is name compatibility mode. Okay, if the documents is not a native Word 2007 slash 2010 documents, is a convert button appears here, enabling you to easily able to format. Okay, otherwise this category does not appear. Okay, and now this is permission. You can see that is permissions, and you can open, copy, and change any part of this documents. Now permission, you can use this option to protect your Word documents. You can set a password so that nobody can open your documents, or you can lock the documents so that nobody can edit your documents. Okay, now come this point. Okay, check, you can see that check for issues, prepare for sharing. Before sharing this file, you can see study all that. Okay, so I'm telling you about prepare for sharing. Okay, this sections highlights important information you should know about your documents before you send it to the other, such as record of the edits you made as you developed the documents. Okay, so now it's an final. I think you know all that. Okay, that is last one. Okay, so version, uh, if the documents has been saved several times, you may be able to access previous version of it from these sections. Okay, so you can read all that. Okay guys, so if you have registered person on these situations in the Word 2010, then you will get one more option here, which is name documents properties. Okay, when you click info, okay, option available in the first column, it displayed various properties in the third column of the, you can see here. Okay, here's properties, show documents panel, advanced properties, and you can see here. Okay, it displayed various properties in the third column, you can see here, of the backstage view. These properties included document size, name of page, you can see size, page, words, total editing time, title, tags, and comments, related dates, you can see all of that. Okay, so you can also add various properties, just trying to click on the properties values, and if properties are editable, then it will be display a text box where you can add your text like title, tags, comments, author. Okay, for example, we can here. Okay, you can use here, so you can type your author name like this, Vinaykurmi, technical. Okay, so technical, sorry guys, and you can choose your here, choose your title, subject, keywords, category, status, and comment. Okay, so exit backstage view, it is simple to exit from backstage view. Either click on file tab or press as exit, uh, and what on the keyboard to go back in Word working. So now we should go back, click here. Okay, click here, and now new, and you can use like this one. Okay, so finally I came back here. So dosto, actually I told you in English language, sorry for that, but I will tell you after some time in Hindi words. Okay, so please tell me, are you comfortable English or Hindi language? So tell me fast, okay, in the comments section. Okay, if you are new, so please like and share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching this video. Bye, take care.